I have a problem here with my recording equipment that I bought a few weeks ago, and it came with this boom mic that has this 3-volt battery, which they call a battery pack 3-volt, and I'm not sure where to get these. Nonetheless, 3 volts, I think I can make something that will replace this. But nonetheless, I forgot to turn this off, so I've had this on for 3 weeks, and obviously it drained the battery. So I want to replace the battery, and I have a few options. Battery cell from a laptop, nominal 3.7 volts. When you charge them, the charger hits about 4.1, 4.2, and then stops for the most part. I have this quite complicated little buck converter, step up, step down, that will give me exactly 3 volts that I can adjust with the input of 3.7. That's fine. I have one here that's 3.26 with an input of 3.7. That might be a little high. This one here, 3.56, might be a little higher. This one here, smaller. I like it. 2.84. I think that this will operate on a little less than 3 volts because the battery does lose power over time. I'm going to try this first. The idea is to have a holder for the battery. 4.12 volts. Ideal. Perfect. This will be a good battery. Voltage in is here. Voltage out is here. I don't know if I can get a close-up of that. Oh, let's turn that around. So there's the voltage in, and there's the voltage out. I'm going to put 3.7 volts in here and get about 284 out. Voltage in would be positive. Oof. Right, I'm soldering from the backside, right? That was a mistake. Okay, that's going to be close. Yeah, let it soak for a sec. Unless, of course, you get right to it, then it comes right up. Okay. Always keep it clean. Makes all the difference in the world. A little flux, a little heat. A little weight. Oh, come back. I'm out of frame. Come back. Good. Okay, and now the negative. Negative, positive. Good grief. Again, I've been gone a while. Little flux. Little heat. Little... okay. Yep. Looks good. Either it worked or it didn't. And I believe it worked. Okay. Quick cleanup. Good. Alright. Got this at the dollar type store for $1. Stuff's great. A little double-sided sticky wicky. Put that there. And let's see, probably put that there. I'm not going to play around with the wires right now because I can do that later. I just want to make sure it works. Get my battery in, positive. Negative. Little red light. And we'll go positive on that. Negative on that. Positive on this. And negative on this. Well, what do you think? Thought I saw a flash. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Testing. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's working. Okay, I want the hole big enough so these will go through. Both of them. That's one. And that's two. Exactly what I had in mind. Exactly. Okay. Alright, suffice it to say, I've got that pretty much locked in there pretty good. I can't show it to you until I'm done soldering it. So let's see what kind of success I can get going here. It's going to go in there like that. It's going to close up like so. That should be it. One battery later, positive, negative. That's good. And I'm sure that's good. And the only thing left to do is to throw a little hot glue in the mix. And that will help prevent anything from shorting out at that point. Alright, I'm pretty happy with this. I think it's going to be good enough to last for a long time. And basically, that's my new cell. As far as that goes, you know, I could do a thing like that. Whoop, luckily. So as soon as that cools down, I could put a couple of sticky pads on there. And for all intents and purposes, it's fine. Either turn it off to save power here, or pull the battery to save power here. But these can be recharged. This cannot. So this is to be recycled. Thank you. I'll be back. Okay, I got another roll of foam mounting tape for $1. And I need this to be cut to size. So that's going to go there. That's going to go there. And then I need to cut it like that. Then these little guys that are cut differently, I didn't think I was going to like them, but they're okay. This you can cut to what you want, of course. And put it under pressure. I'll go ahead and stick this on there and then we'll test it. Sticky, sticky. Sticky, sticky. Alright. Negative, positive, positives on the bottom. We're in. Now. Looks like a high-powered scope. I'm going to shut this off and then turn it back on with the microphone on. Okay. Testing. 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Check, check. Anybody home? Thank you. Let's see what it sounds like.